Ibubeoyi, snow. Well, this is Yvonne from Learn Igbo Now Challenge, and in this video we're going to talk about Ibubeoyi, which means snow. But before we start, we're going to look at 5 main words or phrases that we will encounter in this video. And these words and phrases are oyi, cold, ibubuyi, snow, ibubuyi, snow. As you can see, there's oyi here and oyi there. So that's cold, and ibube is like flakes or ashes. You know, when you see ashes in fire, that's what Igbo refers to as ibube. So Ibubeoyi means, when you break it down, is flakes of cold. Ibubeoyi, snow. Idasa, to fall on. Ịlaghachi, to go back. Ụlọ, house. Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Anọ m n'ezi. Ibubeoyi na-ada. Oyi na-atụ m. Oyi na-atụsi m ike. Ibubeoyi na-adasa m n'ahụ. Oyi anaghị amasị m. Achọrọ m ịlaghachi n'ụlọ m. Ụlọ m adịghị nso. Ụlọ m tere aka. Ibubeoyi ekpuchiela ihe niile. Achọrọ m nri dị ọkụ. Achọrọ m ịnọ n'ime ụlọ m ugbu a. That's the end of the passage. The 5 main words and phrases we've encountered in this video are oyi, cold, Ibubeoyi, Ibubeoyi, snow. Idasa, Idasa, to fall on. Ịlaghachi, to go back. Ụlọ, house. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like it, and if you haven't yet done so, subscribe to my channel, the Learn Igbo channel, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video, and that will be weekly. Also, you could go over to www.learnibonow.com to get some free goodies like printable storybooks and worksheets and other things that will help you get started in learning Igbo language. That's it for now. Komesia. See you soon.